How to install Python IDE and Python Interpreter. Let's start with Python IDE first. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. It's basically a text editor where you write Python code. Python Interpreter, a tool which interpret and execute the Python code. Let's download and install these two tools. For IDE, use PyCharm. Also, other options like Visual Studio Code. I suggest you use PyCharm. PyCharm you need to download from Google. Go to the first search result. Open your browser. You can type PyCharm. Go to first search result, PyCharm, the only Python IDE you need. Then you have to go to the download section. You may be attempt to download PyCharm Professional. There are two versions, PyCharm Professional. Just scroll down, another PyCharm Community Edition. Scroll down, PyCharm Community Edition. So, what the difference between Professional and Edition? Professional version is additional or sophisticated features which actually for a beginner, for a learner can be problem because it is hide some part of the programming. It's make something complicated. So you are learning something is hidden. PyCharm Professional something looks like a black box. Please download the PyCharm Community Edition. It's free. That will detect your operating system. If your Windows probably need to first one download. Here my OS detected Windows. Now I can download here. This is some cases what you need other one. PyCharm is available in all major operating system like Mac or Linux. Just click on download. Downloading is going on. PyCharm Community exe file download completed. Now you also need to download Python Interpreter. https www.python.org. Then download section. Download for Windows, that is the latest version, Python 3.13.5. Python exe file downloading is going on. Download is completed. Then start to go for installation process for IDE and Interpreter. If you have a Mac or Linux, then skip. Here is the process for installation Python and PyCharm on Windows. Let's start with Python. Click on the executable file. This window will be open. This is important. You want to add Python exe to path, then go to install now. See, setup was successful. Then close this window. Come to PyCharm. Then go to PyCharm. Click on exe file, PyCharm community exe file. Otherwise, you can access from download folder. There also same file is available, PyCharm community exe file. Click here. Do you want to allow this application to make changes to your device? Yes. Welcome to PyCharm community edition setup. Next. I just leave default destination folder. Next, installation option. I suggest that click all the option left checkbox like create desktop shortcut, update context menu, create association.py. Just leave the update path variable. Then next, then installation going on. Now my installation is going on. Now my installation is successful. Click on finish. Next video, I'll show you how to use Python and PyCharm in your interpreter and IDE.